Hazrat Jarir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu narrates that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Won't you relieve me from the anxiety of Dhul Khalasa?" I submitted, "Why not?" I, accompanied by 150 riders of the tribe Ahmad, set out. They were all night riders, whereas I could not sit firm on the horse. I mentioned it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he struck my chest with his hand, and I saw the impression of his hand on my chest. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then invoked, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make him sit firm and make him a guiding as well as a guided one." He says that he thereafter never fell off his horse. The transmitter says Dhul Khalasa was an idol house of the tribe Khatham and Bajila in Yemen, and the idols were worshipped therein. It was called Kaaba. The transmitter says that contingent reached there, wrecked it, and set it to fire. Qais, the transmitter, says when Hazrat Jarir reached Yemen, there was a man who would draw lots with arrows of divination. It was said to him, "The ambassador of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam is here. If he sees you, he will behead you." The transmitter states, one day he was drawing lots. Hazrat Jarir radiallahu anhu reached there and said, "Break the bow and the arrows and testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Otherwise, I will chop your neck off." The reporter says he broke the arrows and became a Muslim. Hazrat Jarir radiallahu anhu then dispatched a man whose technonym was Abu Artat from the tribe Ahmas towards the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to convey the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam this glad tidings. When the messenger reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by him who has sent you with truth, when I set out from there, I left it as if it were a scabby camel." The transmitter reports the Prophet ﷺ then invoked blessing 5 times for the cavalry and the infantry of the Ahmas tribe. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4357.